Hello students, in this video we will learn ascending and descending order of numbers. Okay, let's learn what is the meaning of ascending. Ascending means increasing order. Ascending means increasing order, and descending means decreasing. Decreasing, D-E-R. Okay. Right. So ascending means in increasing order and descending means in decreasing order. Okay. So we have to arrange the numbers in increasing and decreasing order. And how you will remember how to arrange? Always remember the D. What you have to remember? This D. In descending, what it is? It is D. And D means down. D means down. So whenever it is written descending, you have to go down. Means from large number to small number. From large number to small number, we are going down. That is means descending. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending. Okay. We will write the largest number first and smallest number at the last. Okay. So this is known as descending order. And what is the meaning of ascending order? We will start from the smallest and go up to the largest. Okay. Let's take one example. In this we have to write the following in ascending order. Okay. So numbers are given. We have to write them in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending? We have to write down in it increasing order. Okay. We have to write it in increasing order, means the smallest number will come first. So what we have to find out first, the smallest number among these numbers. Okay. So we learn two type of cases. Let's first write the digits. Okay. First write down their digits. How many digits they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 digits. 322 has 3 digits. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. And 130 it has 3 digits. And we already know the numbers having the less number of digits is the smallest number. So we know here is 3, here is 3. 8, 4, 6, 6. So which will be the smallest number? Either this one or this one. Both are having 3 digits. And between both of these, which one is lesser or which one is smaller? Here it is, the first digit is 1 and here the first digit is 3. So which one is smaller, 1 or 3? 1. So 138 is the smallest. So what will come first? 138. Okay. Next, the next number is, obviously it is of 3 digits. It is 322. Okay. Next, after 3 digits, it is of 4 digits. So the next biggest number is 4. The next biggest number is 2165. Next, after 4, these two numbers have both 6 digits. Means we cannot compare them by digits. Now, how can we find out which one is greater or which one is lesser? By checking its first number. So here it is 8 and here it is 9. The first digit here is 8 and here it is 9. So which will come first? This. Okay. 8, 1, 8, 9, 6, 5. And at the last it is the biggest. So it will come at the last. 9, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 0. So it is the increasing orders. Number are increasing this side, or it is also known as ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. Okay. This is how you can find out ascending order of numbers. Okay. By using comparison of numbers. That video we have already learned. Okay. Okay. The next question is, write the following in descending order. What is the meaning of descending? Descending means we have to write it in decreasing order. Decreasing order means we have to write the largest number first and the smallest number at the last. Descending means we have already learned decreasing or downside. Okay. So how will we find out which is the largest number? Okay, the number having the largest number of digits is the largest. Okay, first write the number of digits. How many digits the first number है? 1 2 3 4 5. It is of 5 digit. It is of 1 2 3 4 5. It is also of 5 digit. It is of 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is of 6 digit, and it is of 1 2 3 4 digit. Okay, so the largest number will be the number having largest number of digits. So it is the largest number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the largest number is 4 1 6 2 8 6. 4 1 6 2 8 6. Okay, next after this, which number will be the largest among all these? We know it is of 5 digit and it is also of 5 digit and it is of 4 digit. Means the number will be this one or this one. So which will be the larger number between these two? How we will find out? By comparing the leftmost digit or the first digit. Here it is 2 and here it is 1 and here it is 3. So what will be the largest number? Or what will be the larger number? 3 1 2 6 8, because here it is 3. So the next number will be 3 1 2 6 8. Okay, and after that it is of 5 digit and it is of 6 digit. That means this one is greater. So what we will write? 1 2 1 8 6, and at the last 4 digit number. So it is the smallest, 9 1 0 9. So this is the order. Okay, in copy, but you don't have to write like this. Okay, how you will write? You have to write in one line. Okay, how? Decreasing decreasing order, and put comma and then write the number 4 1 6 2 8 6, then 3 1 2 6 8, then 1 2 1 8 6, then 9 1 0 9. Okay, this one. Okay, no need to make this one. This is all for your learning. Okay, so this is ascending and descending order of numbers. Okay,
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर।